700 common words ready for speed. 3, 2, 1. I did not know the blacks very well as a family, but I had run up against them in the street from time to time, full stop. They lived in a large old house just off the high street, full stop. The house was too large for their requirements, and it was difficult to keep warm in winter, full stop. The bedrooms were too big, and when the weather was cold, people trying to find comfort in the sitting room might just as well have been in the street outside for all the warmth they received from the coals burning in the little fireplace, full stop, new para. But the blacks did not move into a smaller and newer house, full stop. It did not come into their heads to do so, full stop. The old house had always been their home, full stop. Father and mother had lived there from the first day of their married life, full stop. And the two children had spent all their days there, full stop. There they were, and there they were likely to be in the years to come, full stop. Modern and new houses were short in the days that followed the war, and Black himself found the situation of the old place very satisfactory because he ran an office in the high street, and the and he could walk to or from his work in a matter of 5 minutes, full stop. This saved him time, money, and trouble, and he thought himself a very happy man in this respect, full stop, new para. I doubt whether I n- never I ever could have gone into that house had I not offered to try to get some money for a inverted commas, good cause, commas close in, which I was at that time interested, full stop. I went from house to house asking for money, full stop. I may add that I did not like asking other people to give up their hard won money, comma, but, comma, on the other hand, comma, I very much desired money, comma, for my cause, comma, and so I was able to steal myself to go my rounds, full stop. Most people gave willingly, comma, a little, perhaps, comma, but a large enough number of small amounts can make a large sum, comma, and full stop.